What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Twitter stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you all the news directly related to Twitter. I will show you what will be the next step for Twitter, what is the source of funding for this deal, and what should expect the board of directors of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should you do if you want to benefit from this deal. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point, right after we had this massive spike in price. And this spike in price was the first mention of Elon Musk, where he made his offer to Twitter to buy the entire company for about $44 billion. And then we had some uncertainty times, and I've told you that from the technical standpoint we have to hover for quite some time around these levels, and it happened. And depending on the result, we might have next leg to the upside or to the downside. And for now, we had right here during last several sessions, we had more and more certainty that Twitter board of directors will accept this offer, and it happened. And why did they do so? Definitely their earnings report on April 28th I think won't be very impressive, and that's why they don't have enough time to find another offer that might beat the Elon Musk's offer. That is why they had to accept this proposal, because otherwise they would have a lot of lawsuits from existing shareholders. So it is what it is, and for now we are at the range of $51.96, and to the key level of $54.20 we have about 4.25% of upside potential. And I have to say that it is almost guaranteed that you might have this percentage, but the downside potential for this asset is still on the table, and I will show you in my technical analysis what I'm talking about. And for now, let's continue with the news. The news itself. We are on CNBC.com, and here is the article that was published just several hours ago, and the key points of this article are following. Twitter's board accepted billionaire Elon Musk's offer to buy the social media company and take it private, the company confirmed. The announcement ends a weeks-long saga Musk kicked off when he offered to buy the company at $54.2 per share, his best and final. And Twitter's board sought to fend off a hostile takeover by adopting a so-called poison pill. And let me show you the official press release. Right here I want to pay attention on these two paragraphs. Brett Taylor, Twitter's independent board chair, said, "The Twitter board conducted a thoughtful and comprehensive process to access Elon's proposal with a deliberate focus on value, certainty and financing. The proposed transaction will deliver a substantial cash premium, and we believe it is the best path forward for Twitter stockholders." Definitely for now it is the best offer that they have, because they don't have any other offers at all. And Parag Agrawal, Twitter's CEO, said, "Twitter has a purpose and relevance that impacts the entire world. Deeply proud of our teams and inspired by the work that has never been more important." And yes, for now they are very excited about this deal, but just several days ago they adopted a poison pill in order to prevent Elon Musk from buying this company. And let me show you what Elon Musk posted. On his Twitter page he posted this: "Free speech is a bedrock of a functioning democracy, and Twitter is the digital town square where matters vital to the future of humanity are debated," said Mr. Musk. "I also want to make Twitter better than ever by enhancing the product with new features, making the algorithms open source to increase trust, defeating the spam bots, and authenticating all humans. Twitter has tremendous potential. I look forward to working with the company and the community of users to unlock it." And let me quote you the most recent tweet that he posted right here. I hope that even my worst critics remain on Twitter, because that is what free speech means. And in my opinion, it is really important for the democracy and for the free speech for entire humanity. And Elon Musk, in my opinion, is the only person who can give this freedom to the humanity. So, and let me show you his intention. Right here on this article, we have following paragraph. Musk has indicated that his primary interest in Twitter has to do with what he views as the company's censorship of free speech. Musk critics are concerned that the billionaire's control over the platform will result in the silencing of their voices and others with whom he may disagree, given that he's often blocked critics from his personal account. And let me show you another important information. You might wonder, where will Elon Musk find the money to make this deal happen? And let me show you this. The filing says Musk has received commitments for $46.5 billion to help finance the potential deal. Musk has secured about $25.5 billion in debt financing through Morgan Stanley senior funding and other firms, and he said he has committed about $21 billion in equity financing. The other participating firms are Bank of America, Barclays, MUFG, Societe Generale, Mizuho Bank and BNP Paribas. So this means he won't sell any Tesla shares, and this means Tesla stockholders are on the safe territory, because Elon Musk won't dump these shares. So, and let me show you another interesting detail. What will Elon Musk do with the board of directors? And here is some interesting detail. Twitter CEO to get $42 million if quit after Musk deal. And let me quote you this. Parag Agrawal, CEO of Twitter Incorporated, would be paid an estimated $42 million if fired within 12 months of a change of control at the social media company, according to research firm Equilar. And definitely, $42 million is not bad at all if you lose your job, and definitely it is the best outcome for this person. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, for now we are at $51.94, and as I already mentioned, we have about 4.25% of upside potential. And I have to say that we have their earnings report date on April 28th in a matter of just a couple of days. And in my opinion, this earnings report shouldn't be very impressive. And this means if on the next session we will see a decrease in price of Twitter, definitely it will be a very good accumulation range. And basically the range of accumulation might be very, very huge, because the lower the price goes, the more upside potential, almost guaranteed upside potential this asset has. And let me show you why it is almost guaranteed. Let me show you their press release, and right here you can find the transaction, which has been anonymously approved by the Twitter board of directors, is expected to close in 2022, subject to the approval of Twitter stockholders, the receipt of applicable regulatory approvals, and the satisfaction of other customary closing conditions. This means we still have some risks related to probably Twitter stockholders, or probably from SEC, or even Biden's administration might not approve this deal. And this means we cannot guarantee the upside potential to $54.2. And if this deal will be cancelled, the average price for this stock might hit even $32 price point, and the downside potential from current price might be up to 38%, and the upside potential might be only 4.54%. But the probability of this outcome is roughly 95%, and the probability of this outcome is less than 5%. This means the lower the price of this asset goes, the more upside potential you will have, and the less downside potential you will have as well. This means just accumulate on every daily red candle if you want to benefit from this asset by the end of this year. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bags.